Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your Divya Miss. Today, in maths, we will continue our exercise on page number 31. Children, open that page. Children, yesterday we tried to understand the signs greater than, smaller than, and is equal to. And today we will do the exercise on it. Write greater than, smaller than, or is equal to for the following numbers. Children, there are two numbers and we will compare them. 16, 17. Children, remember, when there are two-digit numbers, we will compare the tens place first and then we will compare the ones place. Here 16 and 17. So let's check the first digit. That means tens place. 110 and 110. Both are same. So we will check the ones. 6 ones and 7 ones. So 7 ones are greater than the 6 ones. So 16 is less than 17. 23, 23. Children, both are same number. So, we will put the is equal to sign here. 23 is equal to 23. 17, 37. What we will do, children? First, we will compare tens place. 110, 3 tens. So, which one is the greater one? 3. 17 is less than 37. 32, 32. Children, it is very easy, right? Yes, 32 is equal to 32. So, we will put the is equal sign here. 26, 26. Again we will put the is equal to sign here. 19, 21. Who is going to tell me which sign will come here? Let's check. 110, 210. So 2 is bigger than the 1. So 19 is less than 21. 21 is greater than 19. So, open side will always come to the bigger number. 41, 40. Again, let's check. 4 tens, 4 tens. Both are same. So, we will check ones place. 1 ones, 0 1. So 41 is greater than 40. Understand, children? It is very easy. 14, 20. Which one is the greater number? Check tens place. 110, 2 tens. So 2 tens is bigger than 110. 20 is bigger than 14, or you can say 14 is less than 20. 25, 30. Which one is the bigger number, children? 30, right? 2 tens, 3 tens. So 2 tens is always less than 3 tens. So 3 tens is bigger. 30 is bigger than 25. Or 25 is less than 30. 14, 19. Which one is the bigger number, children? 19. 14 is less than 19. 50 and 5. Children, remember, one digit number is always less than a two-digit number. One digit number and here two-digit number. So 2-digit number is always bigger than the 1-digit number. 34, 43. Don't get confused, children. Always check the tens place. 3 tens, 4 tens. 43 is bigger than 34. 33, 13. 3 tens, 1 10. So, 33 is greater than 13. 37, 48. 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens is greater than the 3 tens. So, 48 is greater than 37. 43, 39. 4 tens, 3 tens. 43 is greater than 39. Children, in maths, remember, always do practice more and more. So, the concept will be clear in your mind very easily. Now, let's do another exercise. Count the objects in each box and write the number. In each pair, put smaller than or greater than to compare the number. Children, we will count the objects, we will write down the number and then we will put the sign. Let's count the chair first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 chairs in first group. 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 chairs in second group. Now let's compare the numbers. 8, 3. Which one is the greater one, children? Yes, 8. 8 is greater than 3. Let's count the parrots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Children, there are 14 parrots here. And how many sparrows are there? 2. Very easy, children. 1-digit number is always less than a 2-digit number. 2-digit number is always greater than a 1-digit number. 14 is greater than 2. Now let's turn the page. Page number 32. Encircle the number that is 1 less than the number of animals. Children, we will count the animals first. How many deers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 deer are there. So, what is the heading says? Read it again. Encircle the number that is 1 less than the number of animals. There are 6 deer are there. 1 less than 6 is 5. So, we will circle 5. How many bees are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bees are there. If I will minus 1 from the 10, I will get 9 bees. So, I will circle the 9. Now, let's do the next exercise. Take the group that is 1 more than the number written here. 1 more than. Children, let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples are there. One more than the number written here. 6 is written here. If I add 1 in it, I will get 7. So where is the 7 apples, children? Here. So I will tick this box. 10. If I add 1 in 10, I will get 11. 1 more than the number. 1 more than 10 is 11. So I will tick the 11 octopus. So let's count the octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Children, here are 11 octopus. So we will tick the 11 octopus here. Very good, children.